Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Python program which will allow you to calculate the sum of all digits present in a number. So this program is really interesting. It is asked inside interviews and competitive programming as well. So it basically whenever you let me just execute this program and tell you how it executes. So inside my VS Code, let me just execute this. So here it will ask you to enter a number. So I just need to enter a number. Let's suppose I write 145. So 145, what this program will do, it will actually calculate the sum of each digit. So 1 plus 4 plus 5. So the output should be 10. 5 plus 4 plus 1, so which comes out to be 10. So if I execute this now, you will see sum of digits is equal to 10. So very simple program. We take each digit which is present and then we calculate the sum of it. Let me take another example. If I say 3 4 5 6, 4 digit number, now what happens, it calculates 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. So now it comes out to be 7 plus 5 12 plus 6 18. So the output should be 18. So now you will see sum of digits is 18. So now let me show you the actual program right here. So we actually ask using the input function, enter a number, then we declare a variable sum of digits is equal to 0. And for this we are using while loop. We are looping through all the actual number here. So while the number is greater than 0, so here what we are doing, we are getting the last digit by using the percentage operator. So let me paste this program and show this visual execution of this program. So for this I will use this famous website which is pythontutor.com. It's a very good website if you want to visualize programs step by step. So this is their website here. Let me paste this program and try to execute visual execution step by step. So here it will actually ask you to enter a digit. So it is asking you to enter a number. So let me write a number here 3456 and click on submit. So as soon as you click submit, the number is registered, as you can see, as a global variable. Now we come to the next step. We declare a variable sum of digits and this variable is set to 0. So this variable is registered here. This is set to 0. Now we come to the while loop here. You can see while number is greater than 0. As you can see, our number is 3456. It is greater than 0. So this condition evaluates to true. Now we will come to this while loop. The very first thing we are doing here, we are extracting the last digit from this number. So what is the last digit? 6. As you can see, the last digit is 6. We are using this operator which is percentage operator. So what it is doing, it is dividing it by 10 and getting the remainder. So what comes when you divide 3456 by 10? It basically, we get the last digit as a remainder. So 10 divided by 3456, you just calculate by itself. Just divide this. 10 3 ja 30, we get 45, and then 10 4 ja 40, 5 6, and 10 5 ja 50. So we get the 6 as the remainder. So exactly we are doing the last, extracting the last digit, so we are getting 6 here. And now in the next step we are adding this digit, what we got 6 right here. We are adding it to this variable which is by default 0. So now in the next step we add this to this variable. Now again we divide this number that we got here, this number, by 10. So this is not this operator, this is called as percentage. This is used to get the remainder. So now this is a division operator. So now if you divide this by 10, we get 3 4 5s. So as you can see, this digit have been removed. So in the previous step, we just want to remove this. So that's why we divided this by 10. As soon as we do this, we remove the last digit. Now we need to get this 5. So what we do, we repeat the process. So 3, 4, 5 is greater than 0. Now again we divide this by 10 to get this 5 here, the last digit. So again we get the last digit in this variable. As you can see, previously it was 6. So now again we divide, we get the remainder, and it is stored inside digit. You can see when you observe this, it's a very simple program. What we are doing, we are getting the last digit every time, and then we add this to the sum of digits. So 6 plus 5, it will be 11. So as you can see, 6 plus 5, 11. Again we divide this and we remove this 5. For removing this, we divide this whole number by 10. So now this time this becomes 34. Again we do the while loop. Again we compare, 34 is greater than 0. Now once again we need to get this digit, which is 4. We apply this percentage. Now this becomes 4. 4 plus 11, now it becomes 15. Again we divide this to remove this 4. Now this becomes 3. Again we compare it, 3 is greater than 0. Again we get the remainder, which is 3. So digit now will be 3. So 3 plus 15 is comes out to be 18. So this will be your output, 18. So if I say now this becomes 18, previous this was 15, 15 plus 3 is now 18. So after that, now we will compare that. If 3, we will divide this 3 by 10. So 3 by 10, now number becomes 0. So now 0 is not greater than 0. So now the while loop will break, and now it will print out sum of digits in the next step is 18. So very simple program, guys. You can see how simple it is inside the while loop. First of all, we are removing the last digit. To get the last digit, we are using the percentage sign. Then we are adding it to the sum of digits, and then we are dividing it to remove the last digits by the division operator. So it's a very simple program. It will be asked inside interviews and competitive exams. You can explain it like this. And thank you very much for watching this video. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.